This girl was stuck in an elevator with her dog when the water started rising fast. She was screaming, begging for someone to open the doors. People outside were panicking, but no one knew what to do. The water kept rising higher and higher. She hugged her dog tight, praying someone would save them, but just then, something happened that no one expected. I'll show you. But before that, if you love your phone more than your mom, ignore this. But if you love and respect her more than anything, like, subscribe, share this video, and also comment heart emojis if you truly love your mom. Look, a massive wave of water crashed down, and they were never seen again.